Good morning, students. Now we are discussing preparation of alcohols from alkenes. Here, alkenes converted into alcohols by following methods. First one is by acid catalyzed hydration of alkenes. Second method, hydroboration oxidation. Third method, oxymercuration demercuration. Fourth one, Arzo process. हम ये चारों मेथड यूज करके alcohols को प्रिपेयर करेंगे. Mainly we have taken here alkenes converted into alcohols by following these four methods. Now we are discussing one by one method. First method, by acid catalyzed hydration of alkene. The hydration of alkenes carried out in direct and indirect process. First one is indirect process. In this process, alkenes react with concentration or cold H2SO4 or HCl to form alkyl hydrogen sulfate, which on boils with water to form alcohols. For example, here symmetrical alkene CH2 double bond CH2. It is treated with H2SO4. It is converts alkyl hydrogen sulfate, which on boils with water to form alcohol. Here, if unsymmetrical alkane is taken, CH3 CH double bond CH2, it is treated with concentrated or cold H2SO4. It converts alkyl hydrogen sulfate, which on boils with water to form alcohol. In this reaction, if unsymmetrical alkene treated with H2SO4 to form hydrogen sulfate, alkyl hydrogen sulfate, which on boils with water to form secondary alcohols. This reaction follows Markovnikov rule. What is Markovnikov rule? Hydrogen goes to that carbon atom which contains large number of hydrogen atoms. Here, in these two carbons, this carbon contains large number of hydrogen atoms. So, here electrophile hydrogen is attached to this carbon atom. So this converts into CH2 into CH3. This reaction follows Markovnikov's rule. In this reaction, the formation of compound is secondary alcohol. Here, primary alcohol. Next, direct process. Direct process. In this process, alkane react with dilute mineral acids. It is H2O. In the presence of acid, it converts into alcohol. It converts into alcohol. If alkene is unsymmetrical alkene, then the formation of compound is secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohols. Now we are discussing mechanism of direct process. Alkene CH3 CH double bond CH2. It is react with mineral acid. It is converts into alcohol. Mechanism. Here CH3 CH double bond CH2. It is react with mineral acid. The double bond attracts proton. It converts into CH3 CH3. This carbon getting positive charge. It is called carbocation. Here, this reaction follows Markovnikov rule. Markovnikov rule. What is Markovnikov rule? Hydrogen goes to the carbon atom which contains large number of hydrogen atoms. So here electrophile attacks at which carbon atom contains large number of hydrogen atoms. Here carbocation is formed. It is react with water. Then the formation protonated alcohol. Protonated alcohol. This protonated alcohol, loss of one proton, loss of one hydrogen, then it converts into alcohol. It converts into alcohol. It is the unsymmetrical alkane react with acid. This addition is electrophilic addition. Hydrogen attached at which carbon contains large number of hydrogen atoms. Then it is converts into carbocation. Carbocation is reacts with water to form protonated alcohol. Protonated alcohol, loss of one proton, then formation of secondary alcohol. This is slow step and this is fast step and this is also fast step. Electrophilic addition reaction which proceeds via formation carbocation. So rearrangement product may be obtained. For example, unsymmetrical alkene here this double bond attracts proton, this hydrogen goes to this carbon. Because of this reaction follows Markovnikov rule, then the formation of compound is carbocation CH3. This carbon contains positive charge. We know that this is secondary carbocation. Secondary carbocation less stable than tertiary carbocation. Then what happens here? 1,2 hydride shift. This is rearrangement. What happens here? This hydrogen shifted to this carbon atom, then the formation is tertiary carbocation. Tertiary carbocation. This is secondary carbocation and this is tertiary carbocation. This tertiary carbocation react with nucleophile. Here nucleophile attacks at position of tertiary carbocation, then the formation of compound is protonated alcohol. This protonated alcohol loss of one proton, then the formation of compound is tertiary alcohol. One more example. Alkene contains 5-membered ring. It is react with mineral acids. To form carbocation. This is 5-member ring. It is converts into 6-membered ring. What happens here? Ring expansion takes place. What happens here? The formation of compound is 5-membered ring. This is CH3 and this carbon contains positive charge. And here in next step what happens, this hydrogen shifts towards the carbocation. It is 1, 2 hydride shift. Rearrangement. Then what happens here? This carbon getting positive charge. This is 6-membered ring. Six-membered ring takes place rearrangement to form 6-membered. This is secondary carbocation converts into tertiary carbocation, which the next step, nucleophile attacks, then the formation is protonated alcohol. Protonated alcohol, then it converts, it loss of 1 proton, then the formation of compound is alcohol. What happens in this reaction? 5-membered ring takes place ring expansion. 5-membered ring converts into 6-membered ring. In 6-membered ring, formation of secondary carbocation, which takes place rearrangement. Then secondary carbocation converts into tertiary carbocation. In this step, nucleophile attacks at position of carbocation, then the formation protonated alcohol, it loss of 1 proton to form alcohol. This is tertiary alcohol. One more example here. Alkane undergoes acid hydrolysis, then the formation of compound is tertiary alcohol. This is preparation of alcohols by hydroboration, oxidation. In this process, the reagent is diboron B2H6 or in the form of BH3. In this reaction, diboron react with alkane to form trialkyl boron. This trialkyl boron oxidizes in the presence of H2O2 to form alcohols. For example, here alkane react with boron in presence of THF, then it converts to trialkyl boron. This is addition product. addition product. This addition product oxidizes H2O2 in the presence of aqueous NaOH or base. Then addition products converts into alcohol. Converts into alcohol. If we are taking unsymmetrical alkane CH3CH double bond CH2 in presence of boron in THF, then the formation trialkyl boron, which is oxidizes in the presence of H2O2 aqueous base. Then it converts into alcohol. Here what happens? Alkene react with boron or diboron to form addition product, that is trialkyl boron, which is oxidizes in the presence of H2O2 to form alcohol. If we are taking unsymmetrical alkene, it is react with boron in the presence of THF, it is converts into trialkyl boron, that is oxidizes in the presence of H2O2 and aqueous NaOH. It converts into alcohol and byproduct. Here this reaction is follows anti-Markovnikov rule. Because of in this reaction the hydrogen atom goes to the carbon atom which contains less number of hydrogen atoms. So in this reaction the formation of compounds are primary alcohols. Say mechanism of hydroboration oxidation. Take one example, CH3 C double bond CH double bond CH2, it's react with BH3 in presence of THF. Here what happens? In this reaction BH3, boron is electron deficient, it acts as electrophile. Then here what happens? This bond is moves towards boron and this bond moves towards this carbon. Then the transition state next converts into CH3 CH single bond CH2 BH2, here hydrogen, and here also partial bond. This is transition state. Transition state. This is also partial bond. And in this transition state, this bond is broken, then it converts to CH3 CH bond H bond CH2 BH2. This compound again react with alkane. Then formation of compound is CH2 bond BH CH2 CH3. Again this compound react with CH3CH double bond CH2. Again this react with alkene, then the formation of compound is CH3 CH CH2 boron, and here CH2 CH3, here CH3. What happens here? In boron, 3 hydrogen atoms replaced by 3 alkene molecules. It is also written as CH3 CH2 taken twice boron, trialkyl boron. This is undergoes oxidation in the presence of H2O2 in aqueous solution, then it converts into CH3 CH2 OH. This is 3 moles of water, and the byproduct is boric acid. This is mechanism of hydroboration oxidation. In this reaction, the trialkyl boron undergoes oxidation in the presence of H2O2 to convert alcohol. Here CH3 CH2 taken twice boron, trialkyl boron react with or oxidizes in the presence of H2O2. It is formation of compound is alcohol CH3 CH2 OH. If trialkyl boron react with acetic acid CH3COOH in the presence of acid, it converts into alkane CH3 CH3. If it is react with chloramine, then the formation of compound is CH3 CH2 NH2. Amen. Next byproduct is BCl3. Here in this product, byproduct is CH3 COO double bond taken twice B, boron. If it is react with chloride, then the formation of compound is haloalkane. If it is react with AgNO3, this reaction takes place RR coupling, then the formation of compound is higher alkane, that is CH3 CH2 CH3. This is by hydroboration oxidation. In this process, diboron is reacted with alkene to form trialkyl boron. Trialkyl boron oxidizes in the presence of H2O2 to form alcohol. If it is reacted with acetic acid to form alkane. If it is reacted with chloramine to form amine. If it is reacted with chloride to form alloalkane. If it is reacted with AgNO3, it is undergoes RR coupling to formation of compound is higher alkane. Now we are discussing one more of examples of hydroboration and oxidation. Here CH3, CH2, CH double bond CH2. This is react with boron in the presence of THF. It is oxidizes H2O2 in presence of aqueous base, aqueous solution. Then the formation of compound is CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2OH, alcohol. If it is CH3, CH3, double bond CH2, this reacts boron in presence of THF and oxidizes in presence of H2O2. Then the formation of compound CH3, CH, CH3, CH2OH. Then what happens in these two reactions? This is unsymmetrical alkane undergoes hydroboration oxidation to form primary alcohol. Primary alcohol. Here, this unsymmetrical alkane also undergoes hydroboration oxidation. Then here also formation of primary alcohol. If this compound undergoes by acid catalyzed hydration of alkene. What happens here? Water, mineral acid is taken. What happens here? In this reaction, the formation of compound is tertiary alcohol. Why here tertiary alcohol is formed? Why? Because of here one thing, in by acid catalyzed hydration of alkene, this reaction follows Markovnikov rule by a formation of carbocation. So rearrangement product may be obtained. So here tertiary alcohol is formed. But in this by hydroboration oxidation reaction do not follow the Markovnikov rule. This reaction is follows anti-Markovnikov rule, and here also carbocation is absent. So here rearrangement product also not formed. So unsymmetrical alkane react with diboron in the presence of THF, oxidizes H2O2 to form primary alcohol. But when unsymmetrical alkene undergoes by acid catalyzed hydration to form tertiary alcohol. This is hydroboration, oxidation, and by acid catalyzed hydration of alkene differences. Now, taken one more of examples of hydroboration, oxidation. CH3, CCH3, CH3, CH double bond CH2. Then the formation of compound is CH3, 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 CH2, OH. It is undergoes hydroboration oxidation, then the formation of compound is alcohol. So this is examples of hydroboration oxidation. Next method, oxymercurication demercurication. Oxymercuration demercuration. In this method, reagent is mercuric acetate. It is written as mercury CH3COO taken to, or it is also written as mercury OAC taken twice. In this reaction, mercuric acetate react with alkane in the presence of H2O THF solution to form adduct alkyl mercurate. This adduct undergoes reduction in the presence of sodium borohydrate in the presence of aqueous base. Then the formation of compound is alcohol. Yeah, mercuric acetate react with alkene in the presence of H2O2 to form adduct alkyl mercurate. This undergoes reduction in the presence of NaBH4 OH to form alcohol. For example, here CH2 double bond CH2, it is react with mercuric acetate in H2O THF solution. This is first step. In second step, undergoes reduction in presence of NaBH4 aqueous solution. Then the formation of compound is CH2, CH3, CH2, OH. It is alcohol. If we are taking unsymmetrical alkane, it is undergoes mercuration, demercuration to form CH3, CH double bond, CHOH, CH3. This reaction follows Markovnikov rule without any rearrangement. Mechanism of this reaction. Here alkene CH3CH double bond CH2, it is react with mercuric acetate. This double bond moves to mercury and it is eliminate OAC and it is formation with carbon bond. Then the other case or the product is CH3 CH3 mercury bond formed with this carbon and partial bond with this carbon, then OAC. What happens in this reaction? Alkene undergoes mercuric acetate in the presence of H2O THF solvent solution, and next formation of this compound. Here H2O nucleophile attack at this carbon atom. Then the formation of adduct alkyl mercurate CH3 CH2 CH3 mercury acetate, and this adduct undergoes reduction in the presence of sodium borohydride in aqueous solution. Then the formation of compound is CH3 CH OH CH3. Then here what happens? Mercury eliminated, acetate eliminates, and the final secondary alcohol is formed. This is mechanism of oxymercuration demercuration reaction. Fourth method is oxo process. In this process, reagent is cobalt hydrogen carbonyl. It is react with alkene to form aldehyde. Aldehyde reduces to alcohol. For example, here CH2 double bond CH2, it is react with cobalt H2. Here reagent cobalt hydrogen carbonyl to form CH2 CH3 CH2 CHO. What happens here? Alkane react with carbonyl and hydrogen to convert into aldehyde. Here alkene contains two hydrogens. Here one more is increases. Then aldehyde undergoes reduction in the presence of zinc copper to form alcohol CH3 CH2 CH2 OH, and this reaction is undergoes in presence of high temperature and pressure. Then unsymmetrical alkane, for example, unsymmetrical alkane react with 2 moles of alkane, 2 moles of carbonyl plus 2 moles of hydrogen, undergoes cobalt in presence of hydrogen carbonyl at high temperature and pressure. Then the formation of aldehydes CH3, CH2, CH2, CHO. It is undergoes reduction in the presence of zinc copper. It is formation of compound is CH3, CH2, 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 OH. Here one more compound is formed CH3, CH, CHO. It is CH3. This is undergoes reduction in the presence of zinc copper to form CH3CH, CH2OH and CH3. This is OXO process. Once observe this chart, preparation of alcohols from alkenes. Now we are taking unsymmetrical alkene. Unsymmetrical alkene undergoes acid catalyzed hydration of alkene to form secondary alcohol. Here secondary alcohol. This reaction follows Markovnikov rule. Markovnikov's rule. And this reaction follows Markovnikov rule, so rearrangement products may be obtained. Here rearrangement also present. Rearrangement. And in this reaction, this OH taken from water, OH taken from water, and this hydrogen taken from H2SO4 acid. This is acid catalyzed hydration of alkene. And this method, here observe this alkene. When Markovnikov rule, this bond moves to this carbon, it is getting positive, negative charge, and it is accept proton. Then it converts to CH2, CH3. So here H is taken from H2SO4, and when it is moves this carbon, and this carbon getting positive charge, this carbon getting positive charge. Then what happens here? Carbocation is formed. When carbocation formed in this reaction, this rearrangement product may be obtained. Next, this hydroboration and oxidation method. In this method, unsymmetrical alkene converts into primary alcohol, and in this primary alcohol, this hydrogen taken from BH3, and this BH3 boron is electron deficient, and boron acts as a electrophile, and this OH is taken from H2O2. And this reaction follows anti-Markovnikov rule. Anti-Markovnikov rule. And here no rearrangement. No rearrangement. No rearrangement. Next, this one. This is oxymercuration, demercuration. Here, once observe this one. When Markovnikov rule follows, this bond moves to this carbon. When anti-Markovnikov follows, this bond moves to this carbon. Then what happens here? Positive charge getting this carbon, negative charge getting this carbon, and this carbon attract proton. So this CH is converted into CH2. This H taken from BH3 and CH2 attached to OH. It is from H2O2. And next, this reaction oxymercuration, demercuration. In this reaction, what happens here? Unsymmetrical alkane converts into secondary alcohol. This reaction follows Markovnikov rule, but no rearrangement. No rearrangement. No rearrangement product obtained. And in the secondary alcohol, OH taken from Hg, it is taken from water because of mercury acetate taken in H2O THF solution. So here OH taken from water and this hydrogen taken from sodium borohydride. This is oxidizing agent. And next, fourth method is oxo process. In this process, the alkane react with cobalt hydrogen carbonyl in presence of high temperature and pressure to convert into aldehyde. Aldehyde undergoes reduction in presence of zinc copper H2 to form primary alcohols. And here no rearrangement. And no Markovnikov or anti-Markovnikov. Rose follows. This is preparation of alcohols from alkenes. Okay, clear? Thank you.